10 birds considered rare and possessing striking or unusual characteristics. 1. Kakapo, Strigops hebroptilus, a flightless, nocturnal parrot from New Zealand known for its distinctive owl-like face and unique breeding behavior. Critically endangered. 2. Shoebill, Balaniceps rex, a large wading bird from East Africa with a massive shoe-shaped bill. Its unusual appearance and limited range make it a standout. 3. Philippine eagle, Pithecofaga jeffreyi, one of the largest eagles in the world, found only in the Philippines. Known for its impressive size and powerful talons. Critically endangered. 4. Hoopoe epops. While not globally rare, its striking crest and distinctive appearance make it unique. Found across Africa, Asia, and Europe. 5. Lyrebird, Menura species, known for their incredibly complex and beautiful songs and the male's elaborate tail feathers used in courtship displays. Found in Australia. 6. Atlantic puffin, Fratercula arctica, a charismatic seabird with a brightly colored beak and comical appearance. While not globally rare, its unique features make it a favorite. 7. Guianan cock of the rock, Rupicola rupicola, a striking bird with a vibrant orange crest found in the rainforests of northern South America. The male's elaborate courtship displays are famous. 8. Turicos, Musafidinae family, a family of African birds with vibrant, iridescent plumage. Their feathers contain a unique red pigment not found in other birds. 9. Secretary bird, Sagittarius serpentarius, a large terrestrial bird of prey from Africa, known for its long legs, distinctive crest of long feathers, and unique hunting style. 10. Helmet vanga, Eurythrosptai, a Malagasy bird with a unique helmet-like casque on its head. Its unusual appearance and limited range make it a fascinating species. 10 animals known for their exceptional navigational abilities. 1. Homing pigeons, famous for their ability to find their way home over vast distances using a combination of visual landmarks, the sun, and possibly Earth's magnetic field. 2. Sea turtles. These ancient reptiles navigate thousands of miles across oceans to reach specific breeding grounds, likely using Earth's magnetic field and ocean currents. 3. Salmon. After spending years at sea, salmon return to their natal streams to spawn using olfactory cues, smell, and possibly magnetic fields. 4. Monarch butterflies. These iconic butterflies migrate thousands of miles using a combination of the sun's position and an internal biological clock. 5. Gray whales. These massive mammals undertake epic migrations, traveling thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds, likely using Earth's magnetic field and other environmental cues. 6. Arctic terns. These birds undertake the longest migration of any animal, traveling from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, using a combination of celestial navigation and magnetic sensing. 7. Bats. Many bat species navigate in complete darkness using echolocation, emitting high-frequency sounds and interpreting the returning echoes to create a sound map of their surroundings. 8. Ants. Many ant species use a variety of methods for navigation, including pheromone trails, visual landmarks, and possibly the sun's position. 9. Dogs. While not as precise as some other animals, dogs possess a remarkable sense of smell and can use this to track scents and find their way home. 10. Honeybees. These social insects use a sophisticated system of communication, including the waggle dance, to inform other bees about the location of food sources relative to the hive.